Hi, welcome to Pictures, Noise and Words. I'm Hedgie, and this is Shade Empire, a song called In Amongst the Woods. Yes, definitely. So, Shade Empire. I have covered Shade Empire before. It was back in, I've got it somewhere on my screen, he says. He says March 21, all the way back then. So 2 years ago, basically, and I covered a song called Anti-Life Savior, which I think was pretty old at the time when I did it. So they appear to be back with a new album called Sun Holy. When I did their last song, I really enjoyed it. In fact, the thumbnail says Epic Prog and Black. So blackened death prog. And epic. So, this song is 5.5 minutes long. So not super epic, but maybe they've put a lot of epicness into that 5 minutes. Let's find out. I really enjoyed the last one. In fact, I enjoyed it so much I bought the album. So hopefully this isn't going to cost me another album purchase because I've just spent too much money. Even at Bandcamp's great prices. God, Bandcamp really owe me at this point. I just buy too many things. Too many. Yes, I've just brought out a new album. I've just bought that. I haven't heard it yet. Maybe I'll do a Yes track. It's not important right now. It just occurred to me. You'll probably all not like it. Wow, that was loud. Well, I was really hoping it was going to say to be continued on the end of that video. It was like, oh, what happens next? What happens next? For a song called In Amongst the Woods, there weren't a lot of woods, were there? There was plenty of spiders, though. I'm not scared of spiders, but if that many spiders came out from under my sofa, I'd be off like a shot. Anyway, I'm not scared of spiders because I live in England and all the spiders here are this big, by the way. I'm sure I wouldn't be saying the same thing if I lived in Australia or something, where they all seem to be this big. That's not important right now. That was amazing. There we go. There's another album I'm going to have to buy. It's just such great energy. That's my overriding feeling, apart from, wow, this is bloody great, was just such great energy out of this song, you know. It just carries me along, and I was just like, oh yes, I could definitely listen to a lot more of this. Just that overriding thing. It sounds great, but I'm just, whatever I say, I'm going to keep coming back to that great feeling that came out of that, just that great energy, you know. I'll just say it another 20 times and that should about cover it. Shade Empire clearly have done it again, because their last album I really liked. I assume it was their last album, unless they put one out in between and I missed it, but just great. Just great. There you go. I'm basically, I usually have things to say. I usually have things to say about, oh, this bit, and oh, the production, and all of that. But I just thoroughly enjoyed it. And that's probably the main thing, isn't it? Just my main overriding feeling of, wow, I really like that. I hope you all liked it too. Can you get it on Bandcamp? I don't know. I haven't looked yet. But no doubt I am going to have to look. Because you must be mine. It's not out yet, though. It's not out until September the 15th. It's too far away. Why don't release a song in April for an album coming out in September? Do you think I'm going to write it on my calendar? Well, yes, I probably am. But I wonder about this. I see this a lot more in the last couple of years. Bands putting out songs 6 months in advance of the actual album coming out. People haven't got that kind of sort of patience or organizational skills to remember that, you know. I mean, this is so good. I'm gonna have to make a note of that somewhere, somehow. I'll go and pre-order it or something, and then it'll magically turn up. Candlelight Records, you can pre-order it. Yeah, but it's gonna be for the CD, and it's gonna be like £50 million, including postage. That's not important right now. The album's not out. It's not out for ages. September. I guess they're going to have to release a couple of songs before then. They're going to have to certainly release one just before the album comes out, or people are just not going to remember. No matter how good that is. That was great. That was fab. I'm just going to stop now. I'm just going around in circles. Really good, sort of interesting video as well, without really a lot happening. It was kind of... I try to ignore videos mostly because I'm listening, but yeah, without doing a lot, it was a really kind of interesting video, to the point that at the end I wanted it to say to be continued. I was like, oh god, I hope the next song is just like a continuation of this. What happens next? Nothing good, I'm sure. But anyway, let me know what you think. Wow, Shade Empire. Album Sunholy, song In Amongst the Woods. Write it on your calendar because you can't get it. See you soon. Bye-bye.